too fast now. That's why you gotta know when to catch out of here. Now. It's not much of a catch-out spot no more. So there you go. That's why we don't catch out of this spot no more. I want to come down, explain this to you. Unless it's a CP rail train that comes down here and it's going to slow down back up. There's an IM yard right down there. It'll head down into the IM yard, pick up some IM and then leave. But now they started placing the IMs in the yard, so they only back up into the yard. So once again, back to the train bridge or heading down that way. You got to know where the train pulls over and what time it pulls over. And so it's getting harder and harder to catch out. We got a yellow light, so we got something else coming in. That's what you find here now, cameras. So, there you go. I bet you if you went down that way, there'd be a little area where you might be able to catch out. Okay, there you go. Have fun. Ciao for now. And wear your mask.